Hello everyone, welcome back to my educational video. My name is Ansuman Sinha. We are doing exercise 6.3 of triangles chapter. I'm writing it here again that exercise 6.3. Now question number 8 up to question number 8 we have finished. Today we'll start up to from question number 9. Now in question number 9, first I have to draw the figure. First I am drawing the figure over here. Now here in the given figure, ABC and AMP are two right angle at B at M respectively. We have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Second one, CA by PA, that's equals to BC by MP. So here comes the solution. It is given that ABC and AMP are two right angle triangle. Which have right angled at B and M. Now in triangle ABC and triangle AMP, we have angle CAB is equals to angle MAP. This is a common angle. The common angle. Next, second one, angle ABC is equal to angle AMP. Each 90 degree. Third one, since the two angles are same, so obviously angle ACB is equals to angle MPA. Means this angle will be similar to this angle. This is the common angle, so obviously these two angles are remaining and these two angles will be same. Understanding? So triangle ABC will be similar to triangle AMP by angle similarity criteria. Next come to second one, as triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. So we can write that from these two triangles, we can write that CA by PA, converse of Sells theorem, CA by here we have to write one line from these two triangles. Since the similarity criteria followed, therefore corresponding sides are always be equal. Hence CA by PA, that's equals to BC by MP. Proved. Means CA by PA is equals to BC by MP. This side by this side will be this side by this side, since this two triangle will be similar. Now next come to question number 10. Question number 10. Now in question number 10, it is given that CD and GH are respectively bisector of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on the sides of AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG. So we have to draw first triangle ABC, next triangle EFG. Triangle EFG. Next CD, we will drawing CD. This CD. Next GH, we will drawing GH. CD GH. I am naming it here. This H. This is the bisector. Now it is told us that given here, it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. It is given. So we have to show that, to show CD by GH equal to AC by FG, first one. Second one, ADCB, this will be CD. ADCB, triangle DCB. Triangle DCB is similar to triangle H. Triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Next, third one, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. We have to show it. So here comes the solution. I am just writing it. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Now from the given condition, triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. It is given. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle F, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle ACB, angle A is equal to angle E, this would be E, and this will be my F. So angle E is equals to angle A is equals to angle F, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equals to, or angle ACB, angle C is equals to angle G. Angle ACB equals to angle FGE. Now angle ACB equals to angle FGE, it is given to us. So obviously half of angle ACB equal to half of angle FGE. Understand? Since DC and HG is the bisector, so here we can write that angle DCB means this angle will be equal to angle EHG. Angle DCB must be equals to angle EHG. That's implying angle DCB, I am writing here, DCB equals to angle HGE, angle bisector, and also ACD equals to angle, means this angle 2 will be equal to 4, 1 will be equal to 3, and 2 will be equal to 4. That will be ACD will be equal to angle FGH. This is also angle bisector. In triangle ACD and triangle FGH, I am showing it you once again. That means this angle triangle ACD, in triangle ACD and triangle FGH, in these two triangle, angle A is equals to angle F. Okay, angle ACD equal to angle FGH. So obviously this is the 1, this is the 2, means angle A is equals to angle F, this will be equal to this, and ACD, this will be equals to this. So obviously ADC will be equal to FHG. So angle FHG. So these are similar. Triangle ACD will be similar to triangle FGH by angle similarity criteria. Okay, so this implies CD by GH means their corresponding side will be equal. So CD by GH, that's equals to AC by FG. So first one is proved. Next come to the second one. And second one, triangle DCB and triangle EGH. Triangle EGH. Okay. Angle DCB is equals to angle EHG or EGH. Proved. This is already proved. Angle B is equals to angle C, since triangle, we have to write triangle ABC and triangle EGF are similar, and this is one. Next come to second one, that is this is already we have to write here the already proved, and here angle B will be equal to angle E, since here we have to write triangle ABC and triangle EGF are similar. Now I am writing rest of the part over here. Obviously, since I am considering these two triangle, so here we can see that B is similar to B is equal to F, and this will be angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. So obviously BDC will be equal to EHG. Angle BDC will be equal to angle EHG. So angle BDC will be equal to EHG. This is the third one. Means after this step we will go to this step. Angle similarity follow. So we can write that triangle ABC, triangle DCB, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. This is the second one proof. Hope you will able to understood it. So question number 9, 10 was done. Next come to question number 11. Question number 11. Now here first I am drawing the picture. Now here in this math it is given that in the following figure E is the point on side E is the point on side BC produced of an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. This is the produced side. Isosceles triangle ABC, which AB equal to AC. It is given that, so it is given that AB equal to AC and AD is perpendicular to BC, EF is perpendicular to AC. We have to show that these are the given condition. Given, we have to show that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Now here comes the solutions. It is given that triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Therefore, AB equal to AC, that implying angle ABD is equal to angle ECF, means this angle must be equal to this angle. Now considering triangle ABD and triangle EF. Consider this triangle. First one, angle ABD is equal to angle ECF, proved earlier. Second one, angle ADB will be equal to angle EFC, each 90 degree. Angle ADB will be equal to angle EFC, means this angle ADB, this angle will be equal to this angle, this angle will be equal to this angle, since it is 90 degree. And the last one, so two angles will be similar, so obviously the last one, that is angle CEF will be equal to angle BAD. So here angle similarity follow. Hence triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Proved. Next come to question number 12. Question number 12. It is told that, I am just writing the figure. First I am writing the figures. it is given that in the question it is given that the side AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC, AB, BC and AD, angle ABC respectively proportional to PQ, QR and PM. We have to show that triangle means it is given that AB by PQ that's equals to AC by PR that's equals to AD by AM. Sorry, AD by PM, not AM, it will be PM. AB by PQ is equals to AC by this is not AC, this will be BC, BC by QR, BC by QR means AB by PQ, AB by PQ will be AD by PM, AD by PM will be BC by QR. Now we know that here AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR that's equals to AD by PM. So obviously from here AB by PQ that's equals to half of BC by half of QR that's equals to AD by PM. This is my equation number 1. Now this implying AB by PQ that's equals to BD by QM. I am writing here since D is midpoint of BC and M is midpoint of QR. That equals to AD by PM that's implying triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by SSS similarity criteria. Okay, next move to another question. Okay, this question is not over. Next we will continue. Therefore we can write it triangle ABD will be equal to triangle PQM. Corresponding angles of two similar triangle are equal. This implying angle ABC is equals to angle PQR. Means if this angle ABD is equal to PQM, then angle ABC is equal to PQR. Now considering the triangle ABC and triangle PQR. AB by PQ equals to BC by QR. ABC and PQR, AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR, and angle ABC equal to angle PQR. Now, since this angle is similar to this angle, we can say that this side means this side also are in same ratio. So we can write again that AB by PQ, that's equals to AC by PR. So in ABC and PQR, side angle side. So here SAS similarity following. So we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity criteria. This part is not need. Only AB by PQ equal to BC by QR means this angle, this divided by this, that will be equals to this divided by this, side angle and side, angle and side. So SAS similarity following, hence these are similar. So this is all about today's class, students. Hope will you have understood. Come and join my next class. Till then, please follow me in Google Meet and my YouTube video. Thank you.